Hey our friends, today we're going to draw Kirby, so let's get started. To draw cute Kirby, we're going to start off from making its hand, so it's perfect for us to make the head of it. So we're going to start from here. And we're going to go down like that. Like that, like cinnamon ears. Okay, now we're gonna come right over here to make the second hand. So we're gonna repeat the same step. Yes, like that. Now it's easier for us to make the head. So we're gonna start from here and continue to the other side. Like that. See, it's easier for us to make it. Now we're gonna make the bottom part, like the bottom. It's gonna be the same step as we did to the head. And connect the both sides. Okay, now let's draw Kirby's legs, feet. He doesn't have legs, he has feet. So we're gonna start from here and curve down and straight to his bottom. Yes, like that. Cute Kirby. Okay, now let's make the second one. So we're gonna start from here. Curve. And connect it. Yes, like that. And we're gonna make these sides go like that. Perfecting my shape. Okay, now let's make Kirby's eyes. Little eyes. He doesn't have small eyes. His eyes are big. So our shape is gonna be something like this. Like that. And come across the second eye. And make sure your eye is the same, length, the same shape. It doesn't have to be like one eye going like bigger and second one going smaller, okay? It's gonna make your drawing look more cuter and neat. Now let's make Kirby's, eyeballs. So, gonna come down like that. That, okay, and the second one as well. So cute. Now let's color it in. Okay, now let us color the second eye. This is looking so cute. Okay, for our next step, we're gonna make Kirby's face, which is the most smallest part of all. That's Kirby's face. That's Kirby's face. It's so small. Actually, this is looking so cute. and our drawings completed. What do you think of my drawing? Do tell me in the comment section below if you like it or not. And also do tell me what other drawings you want me to make. Thanks for watching my video. See you again. Bye!